going on today, peoples? This is the, I think I might be the first one to do this, but this is the try everything out of your fridge challenge in one cup, like every condiment. Not anything like pizza or something like that, like everything that's liquid that you could put like a condiment, you know? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do this and hopefully I'll have my doctor on the line pretty quick. Let's go. Ooh, that's the end product right there. That is straight disgusting, man. Get some light. That is straight disgusting. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh my God. Let's mix it up. Ugh. That is just straight disgusting, man. And I gotta drink that too. Why I be doing this to myself, man? Alright, here we go. Let's mix it up. I ain't doing no dishes, so you can kiss my you know what. I don't even want to lick the spoon when I'm done. That's how nasty it is. Let me get the rest of that. Ugh. Ew, ew, ew. Ew. Oh, I almost spilled it on myself. I would have done that. This video would have been over. Never uploaded. Ew, boy, that's disgusting. Ooh, just smell it. Smell it. Alright. We'll be back when it's time to devour this thing. Ew. Oh no. Whew. Alright. Let's do it, man. You already know what it is. Ew, my God. Is it grease in there? How? Oh, from the garlic. Ooh, that smell. Here we go. Oh, procrastination is my drag. Oh my God. No. Okay. The mayonnaise just floated to the top. Oh my God. I kid you not. You kidding me? All right. Do it. I won't do it, man. Ew, that's disgusting. Look at the grease. Ew, let's do it. Oh my God. Oh. check the expiration date. Oh my god. I'm so stupid. But it still would have tasted disgusting. Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh, disgusting. Oh. My review of my fridge. Why? Why don't we buy you? I'm gonna show you. Ugh. You wanna understand what I had to go through? Look at all of that. Tell me it's fake now. Tell me it's fake. I don't want to hear them ugly comments, bootleg comments saying it's fake. Look at that. It's like Rotel dip, for God's sakes. Look at it. Look at that big chunk of mayonnaise, man. Look at it. Are you kidding me? Take it off the tripod. Are you kidding me right now? Look. 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 Like throw up. You kidding me right now? Ew! That's disgusting. Look at the grease. Look, I can blow. Look. Look, look. See? Ugh.